Hey, listen, I know what you're thinking. Starting a business with no money? That's impossible, right? But what if I told you that thousands of people are doing it right now? Without rich parents, big investors, or some secret stash of cash. If you're tired of waiting for the perfect time, or hoping to magically save up thousands to start your dream business, this video is for you. Because today I'm breaking down exactly how to start a business with no money in 2025, even if you're starting from absolute zero. And no, I'm not going to tell you to just work hard or believe in yourself. We're talking real strategies that work right now, even in a tough economy. So grab a notepad, hit that subscribe button if you're serious about making money, and let's dive in. Step 1. Pick the right business model. First things first, you can't start just any business without money. Some require inventory, a physical location, or expensive equipment. But there are plenty of business models that you can start with zero upfront cost. Here's what you need to focus on: service-based businesses. You use a skill you already have. Think graphic design, video editing, writing, consulting, tutoring, or even social media management. Digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates, things you create once and sell over and over. Content creation, start a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog. These take time to grow, but once they do, passive income, baby. Affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and get paid a commission. No need to create or store anything yourself. Think about what you already know and how you can turn that into money without spending a dime. Step 2. Use free tools and platforms. Okay, so now you have a business idea. The next question is, but how do I start with no money? Easy. You use what's already free. Want to build a website? Use free platforms like Card, Wix, or a simple Linktree page. Need a logo? Canva has free templates. Want to market your business? Social media is free. Post on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook groups. Need contracts or invoices? Google Docs and Wave apps got you covered. You don't need fancy tools or a big budget. You just need resourcefulness. Everything you need to start already exists for free online. Step 3. Get your first customer without spending on ads. Now here's where most people get stuck. They build their business, but then crickets. No customers, no money. Why? Because they're waiting for people to come to them instead of going out and getting customers. Here's how you can get your first client fast without spending a single dollar on ads. Leverage your personal network. Tell your friends, family, coworkers, and even old classmates what you're offering. Someone always knows someone who needs what you have. Join online communities, Facebook groups, Reddit, Discord servers, LinkedIn groups. Answer questions, provide value, and casually mention your services. Cold outreach, send personalized DMs or emails. Don't spam, just reach out and say, hey, I noticed you might need help with X. I do this and I'd love to work with you. Offer a pay-what-you-can deal. If you need testimonials and experience, let your first clients name their price. Get your foot in the door and build credibility. The key? You have to be proactive. Clients won't magically find you. You have to go get them. Step 4, reinvent the money you make. All right, so you've made your first $100, $500, maybe even $1,000. Now what? This is where most people mess up. They spend their first business earnings on themselves instead of reinvesting. If you want to scale fast, take that first bit of money and put it back into your business. Use it for better marketing. Get a website or better tools. Invest in ads to reach more customers. Automate things so you can focus on growth. The businesses that survive are the ones that reinvest and scale. So don't touch that money like it's a lottery win. Use it to grow. Step 5, scale up and create multiple income streams. Once your business is making consistent money, it's time to scale. Because let's be honest, nobody starts a business just to scrape by. Here's how you level up your business in 2025. Turn services into products. If you're a freelancer, package your knowledge into an online course or digital guide. Expand your offers. Add new services or upsells that complement what you already do. Automate what you can. Use scheduling tools, hire a virtual assistant, or delegate tasks to free up your time. Leverage social proof. Get testimonials, case studies, and reviews to build credibility. Diversify your income. Don't rely on one thing. Combine services, digital products, affiliate marketing, and content creation. The goal? Make money work for you so you're not constantly chasing clients. All right, let's wrap this up. Starting a business with no money isn't about having zero resources. It's about having resourcefulness. Pick a business model that doesn't need startup cash. Use free tools and platforms to get started. Hustle to get your first customers without ads. Reinvest your first profits into growth. Scale up and create multiple income streams. No more excuses. You can start today. If this video gave you value, hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I answer every single one. And if you're serious about making money in 2025, make sure you subscribe so you never miss another video. Let's make this the year you finally start and grow a profitable business. See you in the next one.